Okay, let's jump right in. We're going to tackle one of the absolute biggest questions in tech today. How do you, as a developer, not just survive, but actually thrive in the age of AI? This isn't about scaring you, it's about giving you a real, practical roadmap for your career. I mean, this is the question on everyone's mind, right? It's the elephant in every Slack channel, the subject of a million articles, and probably the cause of a few sleepless nights. So let's just put it right out there and confront it head on. And look, if you're feeling this anxiety, you're definitely not alone. From brand new coders all the way up to senior architects, this conversation about career survival is happening everywhere. Everyone's trying to figure out which roles are safe and which ones might get automated away. So yeah, your concern, it's completely valid. So here's our game plan. First, we'll reframe this whole AI thing. Is it a threat or is it a tool? Then we'll get into the new mindset you've got to adapt. After that, the main event, the 5 essential skills that are at the heart of this entire explainer. Then we'll lay out an actual roadmap to 2026, and we'll wrap it all up by defining what it really means to be a future-ready developer. All right, first up, let's tackle the fundamental question that really shapes this whole conversation. How should we even be looking at the rise of AI in our field? And this gets right to the point. The story everyone's telling is fear of replacement. But the winning strategy, the one we're focusing on, isn't about fighting it, it's about mastering leverage. Really, this is the choice. Do you get replaced? Or do you become the person who leverages the tool, making yourself completely indispensable? That choice, well, it leads us straight to the most critical part of this whole thing, your mindset. Seriously, this isn't just about learning some new tech. It's about fundamentally changing how you think about what you do. This quote just nails it, doesn't it? You have to stop thinking about how to code faster than an AI. I'll tell you right now, that's a losing battle. The real win is becoming the strategic thinker who directs the AI, the one who uses its power to go after challenges that used to be way out of reach. You become the pilot, not the engine. Okay, so with that new mindset locked in, let's get to the real meat of this explainer. What are the actual, tangible skills you need to be building? This is your definitive guide. There are 5 of them, just 5. And these aren't about coding faster, they're about thinking bigger, thinking smarter. We're talking about stuff like strategic problem framing, AI system design, advanced prompt engineering, data literacy, and the big one, human-centric product sense. Let's break down what these actually mean. Before we get into each skill, let's be clear on the payoff. Mastering these is how you're going to work alongside AI, not against it. It's how you'll supercharge your own productivity, solve way more complex problems, and dramatically increase your value. Ultimately, this is how you become someone who drives innovation. And just so we're all on the same page, when I say leverage, this is what I mean. It's the strategic use of AI. It's not just a tool you pick up. It's a partner that amplifies your skills, gets all that repetitive junk off your plate, and literally unlocks capabilities you didn't have before. Okay, so we've covered the 5 key skills. That's the what. But, just knowing them isn't enough. So let's switch gears to the how. How do you actually build this into a plan? This is your roadmap for the next 2 years. You can start this journey literally today, right now, just by consciously deciding to adopt that leverage mindset. Then, for the next 6 months, I want you to pick 1 or 2 of those 5 skills we talked about. Which ones feel most relevant to you? Focus there. And then, over the next 1 to 2 years, your goal is mastery, really deeply learning and applying these new skills in everything you do. So, what does it all look like when you put this together? Let's paint a picture of the developer who has totally crushed this transition. This right here is the ultimate takeaway. The future-ready, totally AI-proof developer, well, they're not just a lone coder hammering away at a keyboard anymore. They're a systems thinker, a problem framer, a true strategic partner who guides and collaborates with AI to get incredible things done. So I'm going to leave you with this question. Forget the fear of being replaced. That's off the table. AI is now your most powerful collaborator. So with that partnership, what incredible, monumental problems are you going to solve? What amazing things will you build? See, the future isn't about survival. It's about opportunity.
And remember, please subscribe to Jass's Classroom.